What's going on, RestoMod's fans? It's Joe here, and you're probably wondering, what is this thing attached to my chest?
Oh no, not again.
We are actually gonna go on a little joyride in the 66 Chevelle, and as you can see, she's looking pretty. Just do a little walk around for you guys here. 1966 Chevy Chevelle, and she's got an LS2 under the hood. Let's take a look at that thing. All right, there she is, the crown jewel. That is an LS2 6-liter V8. Let's do this. All right, you guys, joyride complete. Thanks for tuning in and going on this ride along with me. And don't forget, you can win this 66 Chevelle and $20,000 in cash. I'll leave a link in the description below. Go check it out and get entered to win this Chevelle and 20 grand. This could be the Chevelle of your dreams. Good luck, you guys.